Scratch. Scratch is a programming software that make it easy for us to create interactive games, animations, and stories. When Scratch open, it displays a single character by default that is called Spit. We can program Spit to move and interact with the user. When we open Spit, the following is the displayed interface. Creating a program in Scratch. To create a program in the Scratch, you add blocks to the spit area to manipulate the spit. You then click on the block category that has the block you want to add. When we click on the block category, we will see the list of block in contains their area several block categories to choose from. To add a block to our program, we click and drag it to the script area. The other blocks are already area will appear, showing you where the new block should fit in the script. To run the script and see speed in action, we click on a area of the block in this script area. It is important for you to save your created project to be able to edit or run it later. To do so, you have to click on the file menu on the top and click on save to our computer. You make sure that you give your file a manageable name and save it in a personal folder in your computer. Block categories. Motion has block to enables speed to move. Control has block that control the script and the follow of instruction. Looks has block that change the way speed looks. You can change the color and size of speed. You can make speed speak and also hide show it on the stage for this categories. Sensing has blocked to help the speed dusted things in its environment in it. From this category that you can choose block that let speed ask questions. Sound has block to play sounds and control sound settings. Operators has block to perform arithmetic string and balloon operations. Variables has block that allow the user to create and use variables in the script. Blocks. Below are the different blocks categories and a description of the blocks in them. Motion block categories. What is does? Moving spreads. Throwing spreads, making spreads move to a given point on the stage to another spreads on or the mouse pointer. This movement can be in instant using the go to blocks or gradual using the gland block. Changing the x and y coordinates of the spit on the stage. And answer by altering is for its correct value or by setting in its fixed amount, making the space become if it hits the edge of the stage. Setting a speed x or y can ordinate or the direction in which it's traveling to be displayed on the stage.